You received a telescope. What do you think of it?
No, mate, I probably see Uranus from here, mate.
I would have putting matches with the other co-workers, and we would putt for a soda and a candy bar. And unfortunately, I was somewhat successful.
I heard this joke yesterday about a composer the guy who said, I want to be buried with the early music that I wrote it so I could spend the rest of my life decomposing.
That little girl takes a big, a big number 2, and you say something like, "Oh, that was quite crappy."
It's been 7 years. Is it fair to say that you may have at least lost a step or possibly a half a step?
No, I don't think I can still walk the same pace on a golf course.